Learning with Trinity. Hi, my name is Trinity. Let's trace and learn our numbers together. It's number time.
This is the number one. Straight line down, now the fun's begun. This is the number one. Learning numbers is so much fun. This is the number two. Around and back, that's what we do. Yeah, this is the number two. Now you can write it too. This is the number three. Curve around twice, easy as can be. This is the number three. Write it proud for all to see. This is the number four. Down and across, then down once more. Yeah, this is the number four. Now you know it more and more. This is the number five. Across and down, now curve and slide. This is the number five. Great job, you're doing fine. Yeah, this is the number six. Curve around low, now loop it quick. This is the number six. That was a clever trick. This is the number seven. Across then down, looking super fresh then. This is the number seven. Writing numbers is a blessing. This is the number eight. Two big circles looking great. This is the number eight. You are doing so great. This is the number nine. Make a loop then drop a line. This is the number nine. Now that number looks just fine. This is the number 10. Make a 1 and 0, let's rap again. Yeah. This is the number 10. You can count from start to end.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.